Hello users, this tutorial would explain the meaning of each graph, widget, and plot within dashboard homepage. If you hover the mouse pointer over the terms with a dashed underline, a guide balloon pops up with further explanation. For more details, refer to tutorial section under the dashboard. On the very top of the homepage, the real-time live balance of your exchange account that is already connected is displayed. The net profit amount to date as a result of BlackOrigin trading performance in your account is also displayed in many places, like at the very top of the dashboard, as well as within other panels, such as Net Profit panel, Performance View panel, and the plot section at the very bottom of the dashboard. Executed Trades panel displays the count for completed trades for various historical time periods. A complete trade may have multiple entries, but only one exit. Net Profit bar chart displays the monthly sum of profit and loss, resetting each month. The current month bar shows the net profit from the start of the month until now. Trading volume plot displays the total capital used to enter and then exit a complete trade, which is then summed over all trades in each month. That is also reset for every month. Current month figure shows the total trading volume from the start of the month until now. Add an exchange panel as well as the control panel functions are explained in separate tutorial videos as well as in the dashboard tutorial section. Performance View panel displays the win rate, which is the percentage of winning trades out of total trades. It also displays net P&L or total net profit and return on investment, ROI percentage. For details on how these metrics are calculated with numerical examples, refer to tutorial section. At the very bottom of the dashboard, there is an account balance plot showing the latest account balance recorded depending on the selected time period. Account balance is captured during idle time, not the active trade, where balance inherently changes due to the open trades. That way, it captures balance changes due to profit and loss from trades. Collective profit plot shows cumulative or collective sum of net profit from the start of your account up to the end of each day. You can simply switch between various intervals or set any date range that is lesser than 6 months. That 6 months period could be in the past. Based on your selection of the time period to display, the data will be shown on daily or weekly basis. That means weekly balance value will be equal to the balance value at the end of last day of that week. And also the weekly collective profit shows the collective profit from the start of your account up to the end of that week. For current ongoing days and weeks, data for the last point reflects the value at the time of viewing. For weekly P&L plot, which is accessible from this toggle, each bar shows the sum of net profit per week. and will be reset for every new week. For more details on how these plots are calculated and displayed with numerical examples, refer to tutorial section of the dashboard. In this section, we go through the Trading Signals page. Trading Signals page displays the log of all executed trades. It comprises of various columns that we explain in this tutorial. First column shows the instrument chosen by the trading bot to trade. Under signal type, the entry or exit type of the executed order is displayed, as well as the buy or sell type of the order. Long trades contain buy entries and sell exits, while short trades contain sell entries and buy exits. Each trade could be comprised of many entry orders and one exit order, as we can see in this example. System trigger time is when the trade signal was triggered from BlackOrigin server. Trigger price is the market price at which the trade signal was originally triggered. Executed price is the market price at which the triggered trade signal was actually executed in the user's exchange account. And of course, there could be differences or delays. In next two columns, we have the executed order size in both USDT and instrument quantity units. Next column displays the trading fee charged by the exchange, and for buy orders this is in instrument quantity, but for sell orders this is in USDT units. Order status column displays the status of order execution, completed or failed. Failed orders often come with an error description that is displayed when user hovers the mouse pointer over that failed phrase. Order ID shows the unique order ID for each order as recorded in user's exchange account. Gross P&L and net P&L columns respectively shows the gross and net profit and loss for a completed trade. It is notable that these numbers are only displayed for exit order where trade fully completes. Log message column displays the operational status and actions by the bot, such as if the bot is activated or inactive, or whether force exit is used, as well as the pause schedule. We explain all of these in the control panel description video. Now we go to the live trade page. Live trade clearly shows the entry and exit locations on the price chart for each executed trade in your BlackOrigin account. It exactly reflects the sequence of entry and exit signals as per trading signals log. You can change the time frame in order to have better visibility on the location of executed entry and exit trades. In case the instrument changes for your plan, that may happen from time to time, or if you change or upgrade your trading plan, the orders for previous instruments will not be shown anymore. Therefore, only the orders related to latest instrument are shown in this price action. Live trade feature is now freely accessible to all subscriptions.